Hello children, how are you all? I hope everything is fine with you. So today I came with very interesting topic. It is very humorous. You would love reading this topic and you will not forget this topic anymore. And in fact, at times you will recollect this, and most of us can also relate this topic with our childhood days, how funny and how crazy we were. So here you already must have observed what I have written on the board. Today's topic is about little Bobby. It's not just little Bobby. We are trying to know about little Bobby, how he is, how he behaves, how crazy this boy is, how naughty this boy is. Okay, so starting with a smile to know about little Bobby, I want you all to concentrate well. Okay, so little Bobby, see reading. Little Bobby came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. Yes, we will always be in kitchen. Whenever mummy is in kitchen, we will always try to be there, trying to trace out what mummy is doing, what mummy is preparing for us there. Yes, so the same way this little Bobby also went into the kitchen and he observed his mother preparing dinner. His birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. So what is happening here? His birthday was coming up. Even we, not I, you children will also be counting. Even from the very next day of your birthday, you will count, yes, so many months, so many days. And how curious you people will be just a week before your birthdays. You will be dreaming what to wear, how to celebrate, how many cakes to cut, what chocolates to distribute, and what gifts you get. Yes, you will be planning out your birthday. You want a very big surprise. Yes, so this little one is also expecting something great for his birthday, and he thought this is the right time to discuss about this with his mother. Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Little Bobby. And what he wants? He wants a bike. Little one, but he wants a bike. Little Bobby was a bit of troublemaker. Troublemaker means you people only. Troublemakers means those who trouble their family members, those who trouble their teachers at home. Yes, you all are troublemakers only, right? You all come into that category only. You come into little Bobby's group. Yes or no? No, you all are very good children. I know that. Okay, so little Bobby was a bit troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble at school. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. So mummy was actually not surprised because she is quite familiar with such surprises with little Bobby. So what she asked, do you really deserve a bike, my dear son? She asked this question. When he asked for something, a question came back to him. Little Bobby, what he said? Of course, thought he did. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect on his behavior over the last year and said, go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. She said, do you really deserve getting a bike? Okay, you do one thing for me. Go to your room, sit in one place and just think how your behavior was the whole last year since you celebrated your last birthday. Then write a letter to God and tell him why you deserve a bike for this birthday. Then what she said? You think and then you put all your thoughts on a paper and write a letter to God asking for a bike as gift to this birthday. Little Bobby stumped up the steps to his room. Dun dun dun, he went into his room, climbing the staircase. Jessie, his pet dog, followed him. These dogs always follow children. Yes, you too must be having pets at home, and those pets will always be with you. Pets like kids. Okay, pets are also like kids, so they always love being with kids. So Jessie also followed him to upstairs. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. Jessie sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. Then Bobby started writing letter. Letter number 1. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red one. Your friend Bobby. See. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year. All this year he has been a very good boy, it seems. And I would like to have a bike for my birthday. I want a bike for my birthday. I want red one, huh? He is making preferences also there. He is telling that I want red one, and he is worried where God will send some blue, green, yellow, white. So he specially told, I want red one, huh? Your friend Bobby. So Bobby feels that he is friend to God. How crazy this child is. Then Bobby knew that this wasn't true. What is not true? The whole last year I have been a very good boy, he wrote in that letter. But he understood that no, what I wrote is absolutely wrong. And what he did? He had not been a very good boy this year. So he tore up the letter and started again to write another letter. Tore that previous letter and he started with a second letter. Now let's see what he writes in letter number 2. Letter number 2. Dear God, this is your friend Bobby. He added little politeness. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. What did he change in this letter? Nothing but much, but he said he introduced himself as a friend. I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend Bobby. Then again he started thinking. Bobby knew that this wasn't true either. So he tore up the letter and started again. He tore the second letter also because he wants to write something great about him, but his heart tells no, what I wrote is wrong. Partially he is a good boy. Yes. So he started writing letter number 3. Let's see. It looks very, very short, right? Dear God, I have been an okay boy this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. Bobby. He started good, dear God. But what he said that I have been a okay kind of boy. Not so good, not so bad. I have been an okay kind of boy the last year. I really want a bike though. Bobby. There is no thank you. There is no your friend. Bobby. Just like that. Okay. Then let's see what he thinks of this letter. Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. So Bobby wrote the 4th letter. 3rd one also he tore it off. Then he wrote the 4th letter. God. No, dear God. God. I know I have been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. I'm sorry. I know I haven't been a good boy this year. I am very sorry. Means he is accepting his mistake that he was not a good boy the last year. I am very sorry. He is telling this sorry. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. What he is telling? He is adding terms and conditions there. If you send me a bike, I will be a good boy. Yes, I agree that last year I was not a good boy. I am sorry for that. But now, if you give me bike, I will be a very, very good boy. That is a term and condition there. Please, thank you, Bobby. So this is his 4th letter. Do you think he should get a bike? Let's see. Bobby knew even if it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. He understood that I wrote this letter very honestly, accepting that I was not a good boy. But if I give this letter to God, definitely God will not give me bike. So what should I do to get a bike? Now Bobby was very upset. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. So where was he trying to go? He was trying to go to church. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked as Bobby looked very sad. So what was mummy's intention here? Bobby's mother thought that he should realize, he should understand what his mistakes were, how his behavior was the last year. So what she said, go write a letter. And how he came back downstairs, he came very sad. That means mother understood that her child, little Bobby, started understanding his mistakes. So she felt little happy that her plan is working. Bobby walked downstairs. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. It's just in their lane. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Altar means on height there will be statue of God. That place is called altar. In Telugu we call it Daiva Peetham. Okay. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. He looked around to see if anyone was there. He looked left, right, front and back. There was no one. Maybe he is planning to do something there. First of all, he is a crazy fellow and he is planning to do something in church. Let's see what it is. Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the mother of God. What did he do? He picked up the statue of Mother Mary. He slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the street, into the house and up to his room. He robbed statue of Mother Mary from church. Definitely he must have got an idea, he must have got some crazy thought. So he went, he stole Mother Mary's statue and he went to home. He shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. Again piece of paper and pen. Maybe he is trying to write letter number 5. Bobby began to write his letter to God. What is the number of this letter? Letter number 5. Now, no dear God, nothing. God, I have kidnapped your mom. If you want to see her again, send the bike. Bobby, no thank you, no dear, no friend, no please. Just like that he wrote a letter, kidnapped. I kidnapped your mother. If you want to see your mother, send me a bike and take your mother. How crazy this child is. Yes? Are you little Bobbies? No. At least after reading this lesson, you should be good children. Okay. That's all about the topic little Bobby. I want you all to see as good Bobbies, not this kind of crazy, naughty, troublesome little Bobbies. Okay. Be good children. Help your mother. Don't trouble your parents for gifts and surprises. Be good child. In fact, you surprise your parents by getting very good marks, standing top in your academics, in your class and in your school. Instead of expecting from someone, try giving. Instead of expecting from your parents, try giving what they expect from you. Okay? That's all for today's session. Thank you all children, and let's catch up with Unit 2 very soon. Thank you all.